Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be talking about how to expand and simplify algebraic expressions. Here I have an expression over here in which there is 6 bracket 2w plus 5 plus 9w plus 2. So it says expand and simplify. And here we go. Here we have 2w plus 5 plus 9w plus 2. So as you can see here, I've written the equation in bigger handwriting so that you can see better. So here what we basically just do is just do this and this. Similarly over here and here. So what does this mean is we multiply 6 into 2w. Now 6 into 2w will give us 12w. So I'll just bring that down here. And 6 into plus 5. So plus 5 means 5. 6 into 5 is 30. So plus 30. So make sure whenever there is expansion of brackets, we have to be careful about the integers we are using, whether it's positive or negative. Now here, plus 9 into w will give us 9w. So plus 9w. And plus 9 into plus 2 is plus 18. So now we have an expression without brackets, and now we have to simplify it. Now if you haven't seen my video on simplifying algebraic expressions, you can check the video above of the video where I'll be posting it. See, now I'll just underline the like terms 12w and 9w, and for here plus 30 and plus 18. So I'll bring them down over here and let me try to do it here. So 12w plus 9w, do not forget the integers as it is important in this topic, plus 30 plus 18. Now it's easiest for us to do. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. So 21w, and 30 plus 18 is 48. There we go. This is our answer. So this is how we solve expanding and simplifying algebraic expression. So here we have another expression in which we'll expand and simplify it. Let's see if you guys can do it. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, here we have 8 bracket 2x plus 5 bracket over minus 3x plus 2. So now we just do the same thing. And I'm just making these lines for you so that it's easier for you guys to understand. So 8 into 2x is equal to 16x. 8 into plus 5 is equal to plus 40. Now here minus 3 into x. So minus 3 into x will give us minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 2 will give us minus 6. Now as you can see, the rules of integers are very important over here, so make sure you know them so that it will be easier for you guys to expand and simplify such algebraic expressions. So moving on, collect the like terms 16x and minus 3x, and here we have plus 40 and minus 6. So now it's easier for us to simplify it. So 16x minus 3x plus 40 minus 6. So now we can do 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is equal to 13x. So, and plus 40 minus 6. 40 minus 6 is 34. There we go. This is our answer.